Alright, this is the Palace of Depression that Jerry wants to show me and has been wanting to show me for the longest time. Get it on long video.
Open mouth, little tongue. How you guys doing?
This is
Right?
You alright?
my
Yeah.
son Jerry, and this is Matt Manduke.
Nice.
Hello?
I figured, he's sent where he's pretty
50 cents?
intelligent.
How about I mix some concrete for you? That would be wonderful. That would be great, man. That's
He's got a
gonna
mixer at his
out the
house,
freaking glasses.
Google Glass, man.
Oh, excellent. How much do they run?
$1,500 bucks.
$1,500.
Yeah. I'm actually recording right now, and you probably know that. I'll put it on YouTube, man.
No, that's cool.
I'll
You
just
guys-
advertise it more.
You guys got to check out the YouTube station we got, Mere Cafe.
You got him.
I got them.
Oh.
When I was a kid, we all grew up playing guitar over in those benches. Now we're all coming back and performing in front of the palace because this is where
Awesome.
you ever
And-
see Eddie and the Cruisers? Thing I do, man, is not for profit.
All right.
And it's all about getting people from South Jersey out here. If you watch Eddie and the Cruisers, this is the Palace Depression where he got all inspired and everything like that.
All right.
So it's cool because it's a rock and fable from Vineland. We got people from Vineland here playing guitar. They don't have to just be here from Vineland. So if you know anybody who wants to go on to our YouTube station,
I honestly wish I could have brought my dad here. He would play guitar for you for 12, 15 hours straight.
Nice.
But he is gone, sadly.
Yeah, his dad passed and left him the house. All kinds of crazy stuff that he
A second Palace of Depression.
That's
We've been making the most of it.
Anything you don't want, like gnomes and you see like things like that.
That's what I'm
and stuff.
saying.
I have all kinds of awkward stuff. Let me take a look around. If I see things that immediately, you want to give me a tour, or you want me to just poke around to myself?
Piece of string.
It's the gabapentin that I take from my side. Just killed them. They were like chalk.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. I just.
Yeah, hang in there. I'll bring you on down.
Okay.
Take a walk around here in the meantime.
Yeah, that's what I was doing, but he stopped me.
No, that's his
Oh, all right.
place of residence.
Oh, I wasn't trying to.
Take you downstairs.
Oh. But.
This is treasure room. This is the gold one. The gold shit.
Oh yeah.
This is where the owner of the building used to actually put his gold. Check this out.
Oh, on there, Jersey Devil House. Tours and meals, open 7 days. Eats Point, New Jersey. That is awesome.
This is like the living room down here. No, it must be because of course,
Yeah, well, it's a basement and it's kind of open.
they don't have any roof on it. There is a chair there.
Oh yeah. That is a throne.
Just little things, you know.
Yeah. Well, I got a ton of stuff I'd love to add to it.
Leaf springs.
Whatever it takes, and Leaf Springs will get it done. And a little fire pit in there. Oh, that's cool though. A cave. That looks like another fire pit. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not over there yet. Oh yeah. I don't know if we can really see it on video because of the light, but that is a really cool fire
It
pit.
actually goes outside and up underneath the fire pit outside.
Nice. I love secret passageways and
What he's gonna do is gonna have like a little buggy, rolling buggy, where you can like pull yourself all the way to the other side and pull yourself back. You know?
nice. And it could actually be on a weight system so you don't have to pull yourself. I mean, I'm always thinking for the upgrade to what it is. I don't know if you noticed that, but like simple doesn't work on me. I like all the technical stuff.
Every time you look at this place, you find something different.
Yeah, I see. It's got all kinds of technical stuff. Just things. I just love how it's built out of things, not just bricks and rubble and mortar, but there's things involved. And like I love all these glass paperweights and how they're all shaped differently. And I mean, I love them anyway. Wheaton Village, I love all that stuff. But and I used to blow glass myself, so I understand the process. But I love how he integrated them into that, and it's exactly what I was talking about doing for my fire pit. Oh, you can actually see me on video for a change. Now I'm in the back of the Palace of Depression, where they have built this cool wall, all weaved into apparently what's turning into a maze. Although they haven't got off so far, I still think it's pretty phenomenal. I used to do the same thing with briar patches, to be honest. My battery is getting low. If it dies on you, I'm sorry, but Google hasn't fixed that one yet either. Apparently there's nothing else to see here though, so
anyway guys, if you like this, you want to see what else I'm about, you can go ahead and check out these videos over here. Or if you want to see what I'm like, check out these videos over here. Or if you want to, you know, completely represent, pick yourself up an Angry Manduke t-shirt. They're fun for the whole family. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.